units 1199, expedite cover code 3, Beacon Mental Hospital.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Sorry, detectives. I know you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a detour.
Sounds serious. Is it a riot?
Call went out just before I picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already on scene.
131, please advise.
Hey, maybe it's the ghost of that doctor who went schizo and chopped up all those patients.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Joseph, you think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Anyone on scene, respond.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation? Over.
184, be advised. Some problem reaching on the Beacon Memorial.
Is there any...
God damn it! Jesus!
Junior Detective Kidman. Any thoughts?
Nothing yet. I'm sure we'll know everything once we get there.
What do you make of it?
Connolly, contact dispatch and let them know what's happening. Joseph, Kidman, you're with me. We're gonna have a look around.
Right.
Alright, what you just saw in the video was a video that I forgot to turn on my recordings, my mic, so that was stupid of me, so I jumped out right here, so yeah. So I want to say this again, welcome to the Evil Within, and I'm sorry I didn't record for the past few months, that's busy, oh my god.
What the hell?
Sebastian Castellanos. Hello, Rick. Oh my god. That assassin skills every time. So I try to finish this capture as fast as I can before my laptop's gonna die again because of overheating. And as you guys can tell, I'm gonna move this a little bit right here so the heat can go back to my laptop. And try to finish this fast as I can so I can upload it later. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like the Terminator. The Fell Project Terminator. Hello buddy. Your brother's in blood, right? I guess not. What are you doing? You're cooking something. They're not Terminators. Man, I know you're making something, baking something, baking bacon. You chop the baconator. You chop the baconator. I told you. Damn it. Oh, that's machete. That's machete. Oh my gosh. You are one of the fair project. Alright, enough of the Arnold shit, so let's do this. Let's get the knife. Come on. Get to the knife. Come on. There you go. Good people. The knife. What's up? Alright, bad news is I have a big scared because this is the part that you don't have any guns. This is where you're gonna die suck. Chopping something. think I'm gonna get that key. Before I gotta get that key. Oh my god, I'm kinda a little bit scared right now, guys. It's right there. God, giving it a little chills, guys. Oh my god, please, I'm begging you, my laptop have to be strong about this. Alright, so, okay, we gotta get through here. Don't get busted. That's all we need. That's the way out. That's the way out. That's the way out. There's the way out. Holy god damn it, that's so many chainsaw. It's like chainsaw. Oh god. Oh my god, you got a chainsaw. Oh my god, my biggest fans, come here guys, come, oh my god. We're gonna run! Run! The Terminator gonna run from the other Terminator because he got a chainsaw, come on! Come on, adult! Oh my god. From this is the badass. Oh no! Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Oh my gosh, people, you seeing these? These are the ultimate Saw Eliminator. Remember that movie Saw? This is what happened. Let's do this. Castellanos, Mexican cops. Oh god. Oh my god, this is bad. What kind of sewer system is this? All I can say is this is like a really bad. Oh my god, nope, 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 nope. Alright. Oh god. Alright, Castellanos, you're still alive. You're still alive. You're drinking a lot of soup. Blood soup. Pretty damn powerful soup. Oh my god. Alright, my heart is pumping fast, guys. This is like the most dangerous part ever. The entire game. Oh my god, look at them. Look at them. He's dying. Nah, it's not dying. Okay. Let's try to find a good place. Okay. Check. Okay. So, anyway guys, I think I'm gonna stop right here because I have a bad feeling that my laptop's gonna die pretty soon of overheating. So I'm very sorry that this video gone very short, and I promise I'm gonna make 2 videos of the Evil Within tomorrow, and probably another Garry's Mod moments with my friends. It's been a long time I didn't do Garry's Mod. First reason, most important reason is that I got homework and other stuff to do. And second, I just downgraded my laptop to Windows 7 and all my stuff are gone, so I have to download it all over again from the recording system and Fraps. So yeah, I'm using Fraps right now again from the same thing like I did last time in recording. Yeah, I'm pretty sorry that I didn't make any videos, guys. Hope you guys understand what I'm doing right now. And probably I cannot make any videos again at the end of November because I have a test again. Pretty sucks. So anyway guys, hope you guys understand what I'm doing, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Junior Detective Kidman. Any thoughts?
Nothing yet. I'm sure we'll know everything once we get there.
All units, 1199, expedite cover code 3, Beacon Mental Hospital.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Sorry, detectives. I know you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a detour.
Sounds serious. Is it a riot?
Call went out just before I picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already on scene.
131, please advise.
Hey, maybe it's the ghost of that doctor who went schizo and chopped up all those patients.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Joseph, you think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Anyone on scene, respond.
Dispatch, this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation? Over.
184, be advised. Some problem reaching on the Beacon Memorial.
Is there any...
God damn it! Jesus!